Do you really need an MBA when you can just read a book? Well, Josh Kaufman's The Personal MBA is provocative. He claims that getting an MBA is an expensive choice that even elite schools like Harvard and Wharton can't fully justify, teaching more about PowerPoint and financial models than what it actually takes to run a real business. My copy is a bit chewed up here, sorry. This book is built around 226 core business concepts, organized so each one builds upon the last, from value creation and marketing through psychology and productivity, all the way to systems thinking. No experience required, no jargon, no fluff, just core ideas that help you make better decisions, whether you're launching a startup, most of us aren't, climbing a career ladder, many of us are, or simply trying to be more effective at work. Yes. This book's critics say that the chapters on psychology and personal productivity feel shoehorned in and don't match the depth of the business sections. I personally have no idea. I don't have enough knowledge to chime in here, but I suspect that for many of you, this may turn out to be a foundational reference you'll return to again and again, so you'll likely find this worth the investment. And of course, this book predates Gen AI, so his sections on productivity and decision-making now have a fascinating new layer to contend with. The core principles still hold, but the landscape they operate in has shifted big time. Still, I got and still get a heck of a lot of use out of this book. Recommend.